Your phone buzzes, you pick it up. There's a text from your bank saying a large purchase was just made on your account and you need to click a link immediately to stop it. What do? If your answer is click the link, this video could save you from losing a significant amount of money because that text almost certainly did not come from your bank. Text message scams are now the #1 way people are losing money to fraud. And unlike email scams, which a lot of people have learned to be cautious about, most people still trust a text message far more than they should. Today, I'm going to change that for you. There's a reason scammers have shifted from emails to text messages, and it comes down to one simple thing. We trust text more. Think about how you use your inbox versus how you use your text. Your email is full of newsletters, promotions, and things you barely look at. But your text messages, that's where your family reaches you. That's where real appointments get confirmed. That's where your doctor's office sends reminders. Texts feel personal, immediate, and real. Scammers know that, so that's where they've moved. These fraudulent texts have a name, smishing. It's a combination of SMS and phishing. And the numbers are alarming. Americans lost over $10 billion to phone and text scams last year alone. The people targeted most often are people who tend to be trusting, responsive, and who may not have been warned that texts can be just as dangerous as emails. The good news is that once you know what to look for, these texts are actually easier to spot than fake emails. Let me show you why. Let me show you the 4 text messages that are fooling people right now so you recognize them before they reach you. Number 1, the fraud alert text. This one says something like, alert, a charge of $847 was attempted on your account. If this wasn't you, reply, stop, or click here to secure your account. It creates panic, suggests your money is in danger, and gives you an action to take immediately. The real bank's name is usually in the message, and it looks exactly like a legitimate fraud alert. The difference, a real bank will never ask you to click a link in a text to stop fraud. They call you, or they freeze the card automatically. They do not send a text with a link. If you are concerned, you can always call the number on the back of your credit card. Number 2, the account verification text. Your account has been temporarily locked due to suspicious activity. Verify your identity at the link below to restore access. This one exploits the fear of being locked out of your own money. Same rule applies. Your real bank does not restore account access through a text link. Number 3, the prize or refund text. Congratulations, you have a pending refund of $312 from your bank. Claim it within 48 hours by clicking here. Positive emotion, time pressure, and a financial reward. This one works because people are less suspicious of good news, but no bank sends refunds through text links. Number 4, the one-time code text. This is the most dangerous one. Someone calls you or texts you saying they're from your bank's fraud department. They say they need to verify your identity and will send you a code. You get a real text with a real code from your bank's actual number. They ask you to read it back to them. If you do, they use that code to log into your real account and change your password. That code was a real authentication code that your bank sent because the scammer was already trying to log in when they called you. Never read a code to anyone who contacts you first, ever. No matter which type of fake text you receive, all of them share the same 3 red flags. Memorize these and you'll catch almost every one. Red flag 1, there's a link. Your real bank almost never sends links in text messages. When they do communicate by text, it's usually just information. Your balance, a confirmation number, an appointment reminder. If there's a link asking you to click, log in, or verify anything, that's your first warning. Red flag 2, there's urgency. Act within 24 hours. Reply immediately. Your account will be closed. Real banks do not pressure you with time limits in a text message. Anytime a text is trying to make you feel like you need to act right this second, slow down. That pressure is manufactured on purpose. Red flag 3, it asks for anything. A verification code, your account number, your social security number, a password, the last 4 digits of your card. Your real bank already has all of this information. They do not need to ask you for it over text. So what do you actually do when you get a text like this? Here's exactly what I want you to do in this order. First, do not click anything. Do not reply. Do not call any number in the text. Second, put the text down and pick up your bank card. On the back of every bank card is your bank's real customer service number. Call that number, tell them you received a suspicious text, and ask them to confirm whether there's actually an issue with your account. In most cases, they'll tell you everything is fine and the text was a scam. Third, delete the text. And if you want to go one step further, forward it to 7726. That spells spam on your keypad. It's a free service that reports the number to your carrier and helps protect other people from receiving the same message. That's it. 3 steps. Don't click, call the real number on your card, and delete it. Text scams are designed to catch you off guard in a moment when you're worried about your money and not thinking clearly. Now that you know what they look like and exactly what to do, they lose most of their power. The rule is simple. Your bank's number is on the back of your card. That's the only number that matters. Everything else can wait the 60 seconds it takes to check. If this was useful, please share it with someone who needs to hear it. These scams are targeting the people in our lives who are most likely to trust a message that looks official. Let's make sure they're ready. Subscribe to Click Confident for more plain English guides to staying safe online. If you missed our video on fake scam emails, which covers the same tactics in your inbox, I'll put a link right here. See you in the next one.